Let's go. I'm getting over a cold, so sorry. Should I put these on?
Squirrel.
Aww. What if that was me?
Do you hear a squirrel?
I don't know what to do. And these sunglasses are like loose. How do you know I'm making a montage?
I fucking know you.
Oh. Any actions you want to add? Oh, I know. I learned this at work yesterday. That's what I learned yesterday.
Oh.
Need some chapstick. Are we gonna eat? Or are we just going to Tanger?
We'll see.
Because wait. How you say I'm hungry?
Say how you were gonna say it.
What? How do you say it?
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what hungry is in Spanish.
Yo tengo hambre.
Yo tengo hambre.
Okay.
Let's go. The fit? So annoyed. What? I said you're so annoyed. No, you're not annoyed? Okay.
Let's go. We got a little bit warmer right now, didn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. It's really nice out. Hey guys. Look at my sunglasses. So we just got done at the outlet. I'm gonna do a haul later. And now we're gonna go eat because I'm hungry, he's hungry. So we're gonna get some sushi. I'm so excited. I haven't had sushi in so long. What it tastes like?
Did I press it?
Yeah. Well, no. Stop pressing stuff.
I didn't press it.
Is the time going?
Yeah.
I got these mugs in it. And I got like
No.
that's
Does this like a thumbnail? Yeah. Every thumbnail.
it's like this. No, it's like, you know, sometimes there is like when you go on vacation together.
Isn't it not vacation?
Well, we're broke, so we go to Bali together.
Yeah.
These are my favorite chips of all time. What's your favorite chip?
I'm not picky.
10 out of 10 recommend. Who's man?
Where are you going?
Oh. Got our groceries. Gonna make some pizza. Cause we're hungry.
Look at that! Look at the UPS.
Hey, zoom in. That UPS. That's how you know you get your packages on time. Because the UPS does not play. Someone's grumpy.
I'm not grumpy.
I'm grumpy.
I'm not grumpy.
Are you hangry?
I'm not hungry. Sorry, don't spill it.
Yeah, I'll try not to. Personally?
What's up?
Oh, Jose.
What?
Why is it so blurry? It's pissing me off. Why is it focused on you but not me?
Because I'm tatted.
No.
Ooh, look at that dually. M4? Ooh. Sorry.
This is not a car channel.
It is a car channel.
It's all fixed now. Look how it looks good again.
Nice.
So sorry about the quality earlier. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't know how to work my camera. Hi, Biggles. This is my dog. He's very excited.
He didn't know what to do.
What are you doing? Yeah, you're so excited, huh?
Hi, Pickles. Hi, buddy. I miss you, buddy. I miss you so much, buddy.
Yeah, you're so excited. Comfortable here, you take over.
Pickles. Hi, buddy.
Like some sweatpants or something.
Why are you so shaking? You miss me that much? I miss you too. Your breast stinks, man.
Look at my hair. That's just how it's gonna have to be. I don't like that angle. Okay, let's make some pizza. Come on, help me. You wanna go outside? Go outside? Okay. Okay. Here he goes. Wow, this could potentially be a look.
What'd you do now, Prime?
Like, if I had bangs,
Please don't be nice.
but like I don't have enough to like,
You want sugar?
yeah, a little. Anyways. Okay. We need a thumbnail. Do I have to grease the pan? Okay. Did I already ask you that? Okay. Ooh, this is her out of the package. She has a lot of olives on them, so I'm gonna have to pick those boys off. I know what you're saying. Why didn't you get a pizza without olives on them? Well, friends, we didn't find one. So, here I am. I wonder if olives are actually good. Like, I low-key have never had them. So, I don't know. Like, maybe I should give them a chance, but... me. Why you in Vegas? Okay, so I actually want to try olives, so I just put some olives on one piece. And can you help me, Jose? I don't need a man to help me. Oh, the olives got everywhere. Is that fine?
That's fine. Oh, that burned my face. Gets me every time.
Here they go. How many minutes? Jose?
22 to 25.
25 minutes. Ah! Here we go.
Ready?
Yeah. What is that sizzling? Oh, it's cheese. Does that look done to you?
Oh, it's good.
I feel like this cheese isn't done, Jose. Hey guys, sorry I look like a hot mess. I just got out of the shower, but I wanted to do a little haul for you guys to show you what I got at the mall. Sorry I sound disgusting, I'm still sick. First, I bought myself this Adidas shirt. Super cute. It's actually a guy's shirt. And let me check the price. So it was on sale for $9. Originally it was $17. So yeah, it's super cute. I needed a shirt to wear with my Adidas leggings. So let me try it on. I got these Tommy socks. So this is what they look like. What do you call these? Like ankle socks? Wait, no. I don't know. But I really like them. These are super cute. And then I also got a navy blue pair. Jose bought these for me actually. I think these were on sale for $6. Originally $16.50. And I'm just saying the prices just in case people want to know. Like, I'm not bragging because I'm actually kind of broke. So that's like as much shopping as I'm going to do for a long time. And the last thing, I went to PacSun. The first thing I got was this like collared burgundy shirt, and it has like a little tie right here. Super cute. It's Kendall and Kylie brand. I really like that brand. And it was originally $22.99, but I got it for $7.86. Well, it's buy one get two free, whatever. And then I also got kind of the same shirt, but it's a long sleeve. So I got this like, what, army green shirt. Doesn't have a tie, but it's like cropped kind of. And this is also Kendall and Kylie brand. And then the last thing I got, probably my favorite thing, I got this like dress. It's like corduroy fabric. Super cute. I really like it. I like the shape of it. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. If you liked it, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye guys!
Me after the things I said.